Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are going on look number four, three, four with the Tropical Palette. The more and more I use this, the more and more I'm starting to fall in love with it again. But I think today I want to go in with a pastel. I do a blue smoky. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Um, yeah, so let me go ahead and prep my eyes and we will be back and we will get right back into the palette. All right, so here we are, prepped and primed, tape on, ready to do this. Eyeshadow primer as usual, Too Faced Shadow Insurance, primer eyeshadow insurance. Yeah, shadow insurance, yeah, that stuff. Eyeshadow primer. So I actually want to go in with, do I want to do that one first? Let me go with Zena. I think Xena. With a fluffy brush. Get it right on the brush. Perfect. And then I'm just going to put that right into the crease. And then just blend it back and forth. And just build it up to the intensity that I want. Perfect. And then in the corner, I'm actually just going to go ahead and fluff it up right into the brow. Don't know why, but I just am. And then just build it up to the intensity I want and flick it out. Because I really want to see how this will show up in natural lighting. Natural lighting on camera. It's showing up pretty well. Perfect. It's almost like a cut crease. It's coming off a little dusty and gray on camera, but that's fine. And then just go and do it to the same on the other eye. Making them look related is always the goal. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and match the other eye with this eye, and then we will move on to the next color. I am actually gonna keep this a very short video today. Keep it a short look. Look number 4. Pretty sure this is 4. This has got to be look number 4. And actually, we'll see how this goes. I'll be right back. All right, so got them looking like sisters. That's all that matters. A little bit of a wing out. And next I'm going to go in with Tiger Lily. And I am actually going to go ahead and pat that all over the lid. Remember, patting it on just up to there. Literally just putting it all the way up to the crease of your eye. This color is really gonna pop the blue eyes. And then let me go in with the blending brush and just go ahead and blend it in the crease a little bit more. Lift that eye. Actually, let me go ahead and go into Tiger Lily with the fluffy brush and just right in the corner. Right there. There we go. Good on you. Just really blend it into Xena, that pastel lavender purple. Oh, it reminds me of Easter so bad. There we go. And then go back into Xena. And then just go ahead and buff out the edges. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Just to have that color predominant and still show up. I really need to stay away from Tiger Lily, but I love blues. I think the next few looks, I really want to focus strictly on the mattes. Perfect. There we go. Alright, and Xena is back. Hey yo. There we go. Smoky, smoky. And let me go ahead and do the other eye, and we will be right back. Alright, and here we are back with the colors on both sides, and it's really popping out my blue eyes, which wish I had blue eyes. My brown eyes a lot more, which is really making it a lot more of a warm brown, which is really cool. As you can tell, with the moment you get into the crease, it really creates this darker purple, which is really nice. And I think for the brow, do I want to do brow now? For the brow, limoncello. Yeah, let's do limoncello for the brow. I think that's such a beautiful color. And then just like that. There we go. Yeah. Patting it all the way out. And then going back in with a fluffy brush just to blend. Actually, let me do a little bit more of Xena. Is it Xena or Zena? Don't know. There we go. And just blend her right into the brow. Just flick at her. Flick at her, flick at her, flick at her. Oh, that Tiger Lily and Xena. The moment those two meet, it really creates this dark gradient purple, which is gorgeous, right into the crease. All right, let me do this side. Let me do my face, and then we will be back with finishing up the bottom and the final look. All right, so here we are. A little bit of my face on with the blue. I'm gonna go under, and I'm trying to think. Do I want to continue with the blue? Let me continue with this. So I actually want to go into, what is this? A Levian Rose mini palette by Mcgrath, and do Purple Rain. On the bottom, do I want to do that? Yeah. Going in with a liner brush, obviously. And then let the magic begin. So let's go ahead and do it right there. Literally right along the lash line. Just because it's more of that blue purple. Oh yeah, and then blend it out. Perfect. Blend it and smoke it. Actually, let me dip it into that brush. Just really begin to smoke it out. Perfect. And for the inner corner, let me go back in with the limoncello, whatever. And then just pop that in right in the corner. Blend it into the top and blend it into the bottom. Perfect. And then just marry the two. Perfect. There we go. And then I think for the waterline, I am actually going to take Purple Rain and literally just put it right on my waterline. I can do it like this. Actually, here we go. Ugh. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Digging that. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and even out this side, and I'll be back with the complete look, but this is where we are so far. Natural lighting. A little bit of my ring light. Without the ring light. With the ring light. We'll be right back. All right, so here is the final look with the full face of everything. Where's my blush brush? Because I need more blush. Going back in with NARS Tris. So, this is the final look, and I am actually just going to amp up the cheeks just a smidge more. Right there. Right there. Perfect. And same thing as usual. Just use bronzer and blush to contour the face a little bit. Why not? And then need my lips. I'm going with Faux by MAC. So I always like to keep my lips more neutral, more natural, more nude, because I love the focus more so on my eyes. Gloss. Dreamscape by Mcgrath. Mcgrath. There we go. There we go. All right. Final look with a little bit of the blues, the violets, the purples from Pat McGrath. And she is a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Obviously, if you want to see, there she is. I like the lighting this way because it gets rid of the bags under my eyes a little bit. So, as usual, if you guys want to see the finished look, edit it and stuff like that, go to my Instagram page, and we will continue the palette focus a little bit more. There's a few more, obviously, the more mattes I want to play with. I want to get away from using the blues, the greens, the shimmers, because I think we've seen enough of that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.